vlog, we back on the clock. It's currently almost 11:20. My day don't start till like 1:30 today. So I was like, let me entertain y'all. Plus, we got another topic to talk about. Lately, people been confused. Don't mind all this sweat. It's hot out here. I'm back in Mobile, if y'all didn't know. Actually, I've been switching states like it's normal. South Carolina, Houston, Atlanta, back home. We've been normalizing switching states, and it's getting weird, but it's getting normal. Don't mind my bonnet, you feel what I'm saying? Trying to maintain my hairstyle like a normal nigga. See, what people be forgetting is, I'm really not a YouTuber, I'm a normal human. And y'all think cause I do YouTube that I'm supposed to be doing the stuff that I do, but that's not how this works. I'm normal. I'm still normal whether I record myself today or I don't record myself today. I'm still normal. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. Y'all probably saying, cool, where you get your topics from? What makes you talk about this certain subject out of all things you could be talking about? Like, why you talk about this certain thing? Probably talking to people and they say something that blow me so bad. I'm like, I ain't got no choice but to say thank you. Cause nigga, you just gave me a video. You know what I'm saying? That's how it works. And I'm about to leave, well, I was gonna leave my window down. And ain't nothing you can take out here cause I'm normal. Other, like actual YouTubers, it'll probably be something you can take out their car, but ain't nothing you really can take out of here because I'm a normal nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm currently at Dollar Tree. I can't even see myself no more. I'm currently at Dollar Tree to get some necessities for the low to put me up during the week like a normal human. Don't mean cause I record myself I'm a YouTuber or I'm different from y'all, bro. I'm a normal human, bro. Y'all gotta remember that. I know I do a lot of stuff and y'all be like he supposed to do that. No, I'm a normal nigga. It honestly feels so good in Dollar Tree. Yes, I wear my bonnet almost everywhere I go to maintain my hairstyle. Is there something wrong with that? This normal shit, bro. I'm a normal nigga. Don't mean cause I'm recording. Hold on. Don't mean cause I know the best camera angles, know where to put my camera, and got the YouTube aesthetics. That I'm not normal. I'm still a normal nigga. Yeah. Ooh. I just broke that, but I can't show my crimes on camera. There's a lot of people in here. I don't want to get people on camera because really I'm giving you clout that you don't know about and you gonna act like you don't really want to be on my camera, but it's the most exciting shit of your day. So I'm about to go on my shop, show y'all what I got and how that's gonna benefit me throughout the week. Alright, quick rundown. We got sponges, glass wipes. I got carpet. So we got carpet spray, black ice, and we got 2 of these. You know, I'll be looking for the strongest scent. It's either gonna be lemon or cherry. You feel me? And I spent $8. That was way over my budget. I'd be tempted to steal out of there, but I'm like, I gotta be better. And then they didn't even have everything I need, so I gotta stop at another Dollar Tree and spend another $2 probably. Damn. But y'all going on this journey with me. Journey of a normal nigga. Alright, man, to a different Dollar Tree, see if they got it. Per usual, I gotta get off cam in the store, cause, ooh, shit, they got all the ocean spray. I'll stack up later. Let me find what I'm looking for. See, that's what I mean. Some Dollar Tree got hidden gems, some don't. See, all one got the black ice. I already got some of them and them. But I'm gonna go to that Dollar Tree that I know is at. I wonder if this fit my steering wheel. I'm gonna get me one. They really ain't got it. The scent on that, what I'm talking about, is so strong. You really only need one. I'm gonna get 2 different flavors, cause if you get 2 of the same flavor, your nose gonna be gone. That shit's strong. But we're gonna go to the one that I know it's at, then hit a car wash, and then we feast. these. They strong, last long. They have a peppermint flavor, but I think the peppermint one is all the way in on the other side. So I ain't about to fool with that. I'm just gonna get 2 of these. But them, if you see them in Dollar Tree, grab them. Mint toast. Mint toast. What the fuck? We're gonna try this too. I'm obsessed with having a clean, good smelling car. You feel what I'm saying? Cause I'm always in my car. If these trash, I'm gonna be mad. But I'm gonna let y'all know. And they don't even got no more bonnets in here. There's another one. They got the bonnet, and they got. I might just go to the other one. I don't got time though. Yes, I do. All right, look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get one of these. Then we're gonna go to the other one and get peppermint one. Cause I know the peppermint one's strong and it work. I don't know if this one work. These too many stops. But we're gonna go to the car wash after too. So I'm gonna grab these two, and then peppermint one, and bonnet at the other one. They really ain't got a bonnet. And then that's the end with Dollar Tree stops. We're gonna stop in every Dollar Tree in the city. Automotive. Where is it? Bingo. We came all around the world for you, and you don't even know it. Now let's get a bonnet and get out of here, bro. I told y'all my day don't even start. When he supposed to really starts at 1:30, and it feel like I did a lot. I ain't really do nothing yet. That'd be crazy. Let's see. They only got one kind. Hey, my dollar bonnet. Wait, this a bonnet too? Ooh, this a bonnet too. Ooh. That's not one. They got orange, they got regular. Which one? Purple or that one? Since it's the last purple, you know we're gonna get purple. Alright, let's see it. Let's go. Y'all not knowing, I'm like a channel and my life is just like a bunch of series that just keep popping up. Up next, the car wash. You feel me? And it just don't end. It don't end. It's something next. There's always something next. God damn. Look at the time. Our day start in another hour. I'm really giving y'all side quests to set up really the main mission. Should be crazy.
If you'd like an interior cleaning, please select full service wash. Otherwise, please select. Would you like to upgrade to our Wash Club program?
Please select your payment method from the screen.
Please insert the card fully and follow the instructions on the screen. If you are paying by mobile, you are now ready to enter the car wash.
When you're going in the car wash, always put the air on blast so you can get a little more of the scent from the car wash. You gotta know about this. Anyway, I'm gonna spend probably 40, 45 minutes over here. The real car wash is like a real workout. You feel me? And then after we done, we congratulate ourselves with a feast. I ain't eat all morning. Alright, so we finally finished the car wash. My bonnet got soggy. Plus I bought a new one, so I threw that one away. Now I'm about to find out what I'm about to eat. I might shoot y'all a mukbang. Haven't did a mukbang in a minute. So once I find out what I'm eating, we'll shoot y'all a mukbang. Catch y'all up. And it's 15 minutes to 1:30. And we got about almost a whole video done. So I'm gonna get to y'all with the mukbang. Mukbang up next. There's always some up next. I seen the video was only 8 minutes, so we about to keep rolling. Spent $2 on one Powerade, and look at the size of it. But it's cool though, it's cool. 50% more electrolyte. I'd rather electrolytes over corn syrup or what's that called? I don't know. We about to get gas and then, like I said, find something to eat. What the? She don't even got socks on. I'm a normal human though. Yeah. $2.87 for gas. It's a keep getting cheaper. Alright, so turn that air down. Time for y'all mukbang. Long waited. Y'all too far from back there. I can't set y'all up nowhere. Y'all can sit right in the steering wheel. I still feel too close. Alright, y'all. Time for y'all mukbang. And it's 5 o'clock. Ever since I got gas, I was ripping and running. But now it's time to eat. I ain't eat all day. And it's 5 o'clock. And it's every day. Let me read the receipt for y'all. 5-piece tender combo. Spicy. 2 black and ranch. A biscuit. Red beans and rice. Frozen strawberry lemonade with garlic parmesan sauce. Y'all didn't even know y'all could get garlic parmesan sauce. And it's from Popeyes. Frozen lemonade first. Garlic parmesan, black and ranch, red beans and rice. Keep in mind, I just cleaned my car. Y'all probably saying, why you didn't eat before you clean your car? It just don't feel right. Let's try to send this first. This with the black and ranch. I ain't gonna finish this whole plate, cause I ain't gonna lie, I ain't about to eat all this right now. I still got somewhere to go. I just gotta wrap up the video. Tenders and the garlic parmesan. Now we obviously gotta try both real quick. The garlic parmesan overpowered the ranch, but it's still good. Where my side at? Oh. And it's crazy because y'all was with me the whole day. Y'all seen how I created all of this throughout the day. From the time I got this bonnet, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I really fuck with y'all for that. By y'all, I mean recordings of me. Can't go wrong with the red bean right. I was gonna get mashed potatoes, if you can't go to Popeyes and get fries. It's too many options. Let's eat one more tender. I don't know why I got a 5-piece. I'm not gonna see that. I forgot how much it was. I don't know. It was like 16 something. Is it worth it? $16 for a 5-piece tender combo. For somebody that ain't ate all day, I would say it's worth it. But I ain't gonna make this video too long. Mind you, I shot this whole video on a Droid. They're gonna continue to underestimate my greatness, bro. But I'm normal. I really am. Probably a biscuit. I forgot it come with a biscuit. I should have got jelly. I'm gonna try it by itself, then I'm gonna dip it in the ranch. And then I'm gonna dip it in Parmesan. That Parmesan sauce is so good. By itself, 7 out of 10 with the Parmesan, 9 out of 10 with the ranch, 7.5. But that's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment whatever you want. I gotta continue with my day. Let me get this right. Popeye really been stepping up that game, bro. Like for real. It's like when you're ready to stop eating, you be wanting to eat some more. I ain't ate all day, and all I wanted was a few tenders, taste the red bean, and bite the biscuit. I'm gonna kill this drink though. That's just how it be. It would not feel like I sat here for 7 minutes, but hey. That's gonna be the end of the video.